This is the Vatican City. Wow, ang lawak. Hi, Sis Corazon. Hello, how are you? We are so lucky dahil nakarating tayo dito sa Vatican City, Rome, Italy. Ayan, malawak pala ito talaga. Over. Ang lawak. Oh, di ba? Ang haba, Alexander 7, Pont Max. Sabi niya doon. Ayan. So, yan ang kanya. Ganyan palang hitsura. Okay. Ganyan pala. Okay. Then, let's go. Let's go. Itong mga kasama ko. Sis Roslyn! Hi! Oh. Nag-enjoy ba kayo mga kasama? Yan, Sis Marlene. Nag-enjoy ka ba? Sis? Enjoy na enjoy. Sis Corazon. And May, of course. Yan. Oh, yeah. Now we are going now. At habulin na naman namin ang aming sasakyan, ang aming airplane. Agkapayak kami manon. Agawid kami going back to Madrid. Bye-bye. Bye, Rome, Italy. We're going back to Madrid now. Yay!